Hello everyone. In this short video I want to show you this sensor called the digital tachometer. So if you watch my videos under controls, you know that tachometer is one of the devices that you typically use to measure velocity, like angular velocity. And here I want to show you the optical one. You know, there are different types of tachometers, the ones that have contact with the object and the ones that don't. And one of the very common ones for non-contact is optical, which basically shines a laser here, and the laser will hit the object, and you have to put one of these reflective tapes, a piece of that, on the object that is spinning. So here I have this mini lathe machine, desktop lathe, and I put one of these patches on it. And I want to measure the RPM of the shaft as it spins. The machine has its own RPM measurement, so I want to compare the measurement of this relatively cheap Nyko sensor with the machine itself. Now, one of the things that is in the instruction manual of the sensor is if the object is shiny itself, it can basically shine some of the laser back without even this reflective tape doing that. So you might get a lot more pulses than what you should. So ideally, every one revolution, this guy would reflect the light back, so you should get 1 pulse per revolution. But if these other parts of the shiny object reflects the light back, you might get more pulses and you might see a bigger RPM than what it should be. So they say if the object is kind of transparent or very reflective, you have to cover the object with the tape, with a dark tape or something, and then put this one on. But right now, I want to do it without that, see if it does any good or not. So here we go. We crank the machine up to something like 100 or 200 something here, about 230, 40. Right, and then here I'm gonna use my machine, shine it at the device, and I'm going to read my number. As you can see, my number is about, if you hold it steady, it was about 230, 220, right? You see, as long as your hand is not shaking so much, and the device is also 238. So you see, although the device is basically has this shiny head, still the tachometer does a relatively good job. Hopefully you enjoyed. See you in the next short video.